Welcome boys. In this video I'm going to be replacing the entire headlight assembly and swapping the bulbs out in our 03 town car. So we're going to go from this very yellowing and kind of gross looking headlight to this, a very shiny clear brand spanking new headlight assembly on both sides. So stay tuned for that. Okay boys, and to get these things out, we have 1, 2, 3 of these guys. We need to unplug this, and then you yank it out. A ditto for the other side, and that will come after you remove this plastical panel. You just held in place by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these little spinny pulley things that are strategically located to affix it there, 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 and there to the car. So that out of the way, let's get this headlight assembly out of here. 8mm boys is what we need, or you could use a straight screwdriver, but the 8 on the impact is going to be the way to go. Unplug the switch. Once that all gets unplugged, you just press down on this, comes right out. And then the back here, this is how we're going to access our bulb, since I am taking the LED high beams and the new halogen low beams that are already in the sold assembly. We're taking those out and we are putting them in the new assemblies. Okay boys, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these T20s. Or if you had enough patience and a straight screwdriver, you could probably get those out. But T20 is what this takes. So we'll zip these out of here. We'll have access to our new bulbs that are in the old socket, and then we're just going to transplant them over. As our bulbs are also held in place with a Torx. This appears to be a little bigger though. Well, it might also be a T20. Well, that is a T25. So T25, take these covers off, allow us to get our bulbs out. Press this tab down and pull. This is the LED. Put it in the new one. Ditto for our low beam over here. Just rotate this thing off, and she comes right out. Plug it in the new one. Okay, boys, and we got our new assembly. It's all back together. We got the old, well, the better bulbs from the old assemblies into the new housing. So installation is opposite of removal. Stick it back in, plug the electrical connector, and then bolt down our 3 8mm, and we are good to go. So I'll get that done real quick. There you have it, boys. Shiny and clear. Not as shiny and clear. Floodlights work. High beam's off. Headlight's still on, so, and of course that one didn't turn on because it's unplugged, but I'll go ahead and swap that one out. The procedure's the same as this side, so you don't need to see that, I think. You get the idea. Well, catch you in the next one, boys, where I believe we're going to go ahead and do the door module and then the programming of the keys. That might be the next video that comes out on this, depending on what order I release them in. But this is going to be the next one I film on the town car. So stay tuned for more town car content. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.